To invent a fuel additive, first you have to understand what those deposits are and their chemical structure. It can form carbonaceous deposits that kind of look like charcoal, except that they're stuck to the metal. Once you know what those deposits are made out of, then you can devise chemicals that will interact with those, and specifically interact with them rather than other things in your engine. A lot of what we base additives on is soap. Soap is used to remove greases from plates. Grease is insoluble in water, but the soap allows it to be. Well, deposits aren't soluble in gasoline, but the fuel additive allows it to be. So inventing a fuel additive and coming up with new ones is really understanding all those various features.